stop. Stop wasting time chasing every new side hustle that pops up on your feed. You know exactly what I mean. One day it's drop shipping, the next day it's crypto, and then you're suddenly selling socks online. Let me tell you something real. You do not need another side hustle. You need a system that works while you sleep, pays you on autopilot, and actually makes moolah and not headaches. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. I'm talking about setting up something once, sharing the info, and then letting the system do the heavy lifting for you. Every Thursday, mullahs hit your account. And at the end of the month, you get spillover. No chasing people. No begging friends. No awkward inbox messages. So stop chasing every shiny thing online. Get into a system that pays you back, not one that just wastes your time. Because time is money, my friend. And this system, it's paying in both. If you are ready to start a new story in your life, put a yes in my comments and I will send you the detail and you can make a decision.